Hello friends, this is something very interesting because last time I made a video about Fire TV, and this is Google TV and Chromecast. I already have Chromecast, but I was really exciting with the news the moment it was uh, launched actually. But here in Brazil, officially they have not, we cannot buy. So it's kind of, you can say, I imported it, but it's okay, it's here, and I'm really excited to use it because it will be very useful, and I really want to see how different it is with the Fire TV. So here we have Chromecast with Google TV, right? You can see. I'm going to open it, and let's open it. Let's see what are the contents, how different it is. So I really want to know if they are giving some charger or not. I hope they will give. So it's completely sealed, which is very nice actually. Okay. So wow.
From the side.
From the side. Okay. Most probably like this. Yeah, seems like this is the only place which will open. Okay, so here it is, and this is the machine actually. The is not so light, I can say. So this is the new Chromecast. This is the controller, the remote. It's very beautiful and small actually.
And at least white. The others were black.
So this is the remote here, and yeah, they have given the charger, which I was thinking. This is the battery which they gave, and here we have the charger actually, and which is very nicely sealed, I can say. And here is the wire. So thank you so much. I will make another video talking about what else is there, but here you can see this is the new Chromecast, so it's very beautiful. I really want to compare it, but I'm really enjoying this. Remote is nice. I have YouTube Premium, Netflix and everything, so it will be very useful. Thank you so much. See you.